Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karthik Chaudhary and today we'll be discussing about how did I get 8 bands in IELTS. How did I prepare for the IELTS exam? Because I was not speaking in English with other people and I was not 100% confident about my English speaking skills. So in this video, I'll give you guys a few tips or what did I follow to get 8 bands. So first of all, my first advice would be start early. As soon as you know you want to go to any country, doesn't matter if it's Canada, Australia, New Zealand, even Germany, the English speaking countries, if you want to go there, so you should start practicing and learning as early as possible. Now, what does that mean? There are a lot of things that I'll mention throughout this video that you can follow, which will help you improve your English speaking skills. So by starting early means that you should start right away. As soon as you know that, yeah, you want to go abroad to study, just start right away. You do not need to wait for anything. Oh, I'll see if I get admission in colleges or if I'll see that, blah, blah. Okay, these are just excuses and you should start as soon as you can. Now, second on my list is, which I think everybody would love, is watch English series. Like if you love watching Hindi movies, I'm sure that you will be watching a lot of Hindi movies if you have free time. But instead of that, just try doing a simple thing and replace those Hindi movies with English movies. The people who like comedy, I would suggest you guys to start watching Friends. It's one of my favorite shows, and I use that show to learn how people speak in English speaking countries. Initially, it will be a little bit hard to understand if you did not watch any English series, but with time you'll get used to it. What you can do initially is start watching those series with subtitles. Okay, so that's gonna help you a lot in understanding what the people are saying, and I'm pretty sure after like few days of watching those series, you'll be able to start getting a better grasp of English, of the comedy, of all those things. And by that, you can also hear how they speak and the sentence formation and stuff like that, because that will help you during your English speaking module. Now, the third point is talk in English. Whenever you get an opportunity, talk in English. It doesn't matter if it's with your parents, if it's with your friends. Try to make friends who would not mind talking to you in English, because there are a lot of friends who will probably just even start laughing. Ha ha ha, look at the guy, he wants to talk in English. Doesn't matter, you are doing this for your own good. So I know that all of us have at least a few friends who are like genuine friends, and I'm pretty sure that someone would be willing to talk to you in English. If not, there are a lot of online websites where you can go and you can talk to people from different countries in English, and that's going to help you guys a lot. Now, the fourth tip I'll give is read English newspapers. So that's going to serve you with two purposes. First, it's going to improve your vocabulary, which is very, very important when you're doing the writing section as well as the speaking section. So the first thing is vocabulary, and the second thing is sentence formation. So when you're speaking, you need to know how to formulate a sentence, and that becomes very, very important because they see when you, in your writing and you're speaking, how you're able to form a sentence to make it look more attractive or make it look more genuine. So this is something that you should actually do. Like when I say start early, you should be able to start following all these points at the same time when you decide you want to go abroad. The next thing is practice tests. There are a lot of online practice tests which are available. So what I used to do when I was preparing for my IELTS exam, every single morning I was waking up and I was doing a whole English IELTS test. So that includes listening, reading, writing, as well as speaking. So I was doing all these four modules every single day in the morning. You can do it in the evening whenever you get time, but try to do it daily. That will give you an understanding of how the whole exam flows through, and it will be easier when you're sitting in an actual exam, because you would have done probably 20-30 simulations by then. So the sixth point is record yourself for the speaking exam. So I would say take a few different topics and try to prepare for them. Do exactly how it's done in IELTS exam. For example, like the introductory questions, and after that, give yourself 2 minutes break, choose a topic, make up write down some points, and then speak on it. Okay. One important thing here I would say is that it would be best for you if you're able to make up stories, because the questions that they ask, they are not always something that has happened to you. So let's say, for example, they're going to say, tell us about a situation when you met an old friend after many years, right? And then you will have to make up some kind of story, because this not necessarily happened to you. So that is very, very important. I would say just start taking a list of different situations that they can ask you and start speaking on them. Like how long it's going to take you, probably 10 minutes a day. I would say if you take all these tips into consideration, that I'm pretty sure that you would not have any problems in IELTS. And not you don't really need 8 bands to come to Canada. Most of the requirements in universities are usually 6 bands or 6.5 bands, and that's like more than enough. So, but I would say aim for 8 bands, and then if you get 7.5, 7, 6, that's fine. But your effort should be that you want to get 8 bands, because things not don't always go according to plan, or you probably don't have the best instructor possible. The instructor is in a bad mood or whatever. There are a lot of, it's not you are giving an interview to a machine. So I would say start doing these things and try to mold your IELTS exam in your favor as soon as you can. Just like I said in the first point, start early. So if you're watching this video, probably now is the time for you to already start learning. So this is just a short video I wanted to make to just give you guys some tips and tricks on how you can start preparing for your IELTS exam. So do not wait and start right away. This is it for the video. Please drop a like, subscribe the channel so that I can keep making these videos for you guys, and have a good day.